Hi, this is Ray Siebert with Tracey Technologies. Today we're going to talk about the Chang Analysis. I was explaining this display in our software to a doctor and he said, "Oh, there's a typo. It should say Change Analysis." And I said, "I'll tell Dr. Chang you said that." We both had a good laugh. Dr. Chang helped us design this display and it's fairly complicated and a lot of information. But it can also be used in 10 seconds or less. So, we hope you use this, and today that's what we want to talk about. How to use it as a quick screener for who should get a premium lens and who shouldn't. Well, another famous US surgeon besides Dr. Chang is his good friend Bob Osher, and he said he wouldn't look at a cataract patient until he looked at this display. So what are they looking at? The angle alpha, or optical alignment number, needs to be less than 0.5, or else you should rule out multifocals. And torics, particularly if they're against the rule or oblique cylinder. And secondly, they're looking at the corneal wavefront. One time Dr. Chang said, bars bad, no bars good. Well, it just doesn't get any simpler than that. These RMS bars are a measure of the aberrations on the cornea. So looking at the corneal wavefront, that lower left panel, if there's lots of bars other than astigmatism, which you can easily fix with a toric, then you should be a little concerned about putting a multifocal behind essentially what is a multifocal cornea. So once you've looked at that and that quick screening tells you go or no go on premium lenses, now how do you use it? Well, there's a number of indices on the far right panels. What are they? Well, if you use the ASCRS calculator online, it may ask you for a number of these indices. If it asks for the atlas rings, those 4 numbers can be found in the lower right panel of the cornealtopography screen on the Chang Analysis. If you want to know the true power of a post-LASIK eye to help calculate the lens, it'll give you that ERP, effective refractive power. That's a great number to use. It's based on a very complex formula designed years ago, and it works quite well. It also gives you a keratoconus screening tool, the Kleist indices I-S, and also gives you the corneal spherical aberration at 6 millimeters. That can allow you to actually match which aspheric lens you use. So when you look at the upper right panel, you'll also get day to night, refractive information, higher order aberrations, pupil size, white to white, etc. So when you look at this Chang Analysis, it can be used 2 ways. As a very quick screening, who should have a premium lens and who shouldn't, and helping you to calculate these lenses once you've made that decision to go forward with a premium lens. The Chang Analysis is very powerful and can be very quick.